All right, testing, testing. I gotta open up my chat. Okay, what's going good, guys? Um, so I hate this. Oh, I can. Okay, thank goodness. Oh wait, no one's watching yet, so I can say stuff. I think. Okay. Hello. If you're watching the replay of the live stream, just give me a second. Anyways, what's going good? So right now, all I'm doing is I'm making a lobby for my tower defense game on Roblox. And this is what I have so far. But since I had nothing better to do, I thought, why not stream it? And you guys can ask stuff if you would like in the chat. I did not mean to do that. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Close those. I don't need those right now. But yeah, instead of having a boring gray box, I want to have uh a fence thing, but I don't know if I want to make it varied. I don't want it to be just a straight fence. But I don't know if making it like a snake is better. Anyways, my strategy for doing this is turn it some amount and then go right here, align it up, and yeah, oh, okay, I guess, okay. Line it up, bring it in, and that should be inside of the other one. Sure, there's going to be probably a lot of Z fighting on some spots. This one's kind of fine. Oh, actually, no, you can see it a bit. Z fighting. If you don't know what Z fighting is, it's, you know, when two textures overlap in a video game, they glitch out like a lot. Anyways, that way. I don't. Okay, that loan looks kind of weird. I can always change this later, but I just want to have a rough idea set down. So my idea, actually, while I'm having ideas, I should probably just make the basic outline for the ideas. So I'm gonna have sort of this type of thing, and then right in the middle of that, so we can bring that up. Wait, and then yep, shrink it down in the middle. Then this one's gonna be green, and then yeah, something like that along those lines. And what we're gonna do with this is that we're gonna put like trees everywhere, and then we can put rocks and stuff. I gotta make this symmetrical. Here, I'm gonna save just a tad bit of time by bringing this. Oh, what the heck happened there? Anyways, let's select that, and that. Press Control D to duplicate. Turn it like about 90 degrees, but not entirely. What was that? It's not entirely. Moonbean ice cream. and and if I can put this on there. Now, no one's gonna know that I copied that. Except now that I've live streamed it, everyone's gonna know that I did that if they watch the streams, which most people do not watch my streams. In fact, there was 2 people ever watching the stream. Okay, looking good so far. Um, I mean, I could literally just copy paste this side onto that side, but people will know that it's directly copied over. So I won't do the lazy way. Because I'm not lazy. I'm just slightly lazy. There we go. Oh yeah, I haven't done like a showcase of this yet. First of all, I don't think I anchored this, so if I bump into it... Oh no, it's anchored. No, it's not. I lied. But anyways, what we have here says 0 out of 2 players. I know it just said 4, but still. You can click, not click, walk into it, and what you'll do is it's still starting. It doesn't teleport you anywhere yet, but yeah, the basic outline is there. I'm gonna make an actual elevator here eventually, don't worry. It's not just gonna bring you into the void. Yeah, so that is yeah, that's that. If you want to see the actual thing move down, yeah. This so it locks your camera in place. It does all that, and after the countdown, see, brings you down. Oh no! Oh no! Well, you're stuck there forever because it doesn't teleport you. Okay, back to the grind. Yeah. Actually, I'm just realizing that this is probably creating a lot of unnecessary um, things here, because now they're just overlapping and they're unnecessary and making the game lag. But it's not going to be significant enough to notice, so no one's going to care. Except I will, because I made the game. I don't like that. I did not mean to delete that one, but I guess we'll work with it. What I really want to do here is... That's too much, though. Maybe, is it? Here, if I slightly rotate this one. Oh, hello, chatter in the chat. What's good? Sorry, I didn't see you. Uh, what's up? Well, I have 3 viewers right now. That's crazy. You don't have Roblox. There's no way you would have the patience to create a map. Yeah, I wouldn't have the patience to create one either, but I also do have the patience to create one at the same time. So, like, the thing is that it's time consuming and repetitive. But if it gets repetitive enough, you can do other things like, stream, which means there's other things to do like talk to people. Which is crazy. think I need to make that angle better. But also the good thing about doing this live is that I can ask for feedback, and if it looks like trash, I can know without having to be like, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so both of these two corners right here and right here, they kind of look trash. Not gonna lie. Also, I'm gonna fix this a bit. There we go. I gotta put myself on top of that. There we go. Now it's bigger. What's my Roblox map? This is a lobby for my tower defense game on Roblox. The game itself is already on Roblox. I just feel like there's needs to be a way to enter the game better because right now we have everything that you need. We have uh, a map selection screen. As soon as you join into the game, you can choose a map. But normally, like only one person gets to vote for that because it doesn't allow you to have enough time. And it's good. And I'm doing this early because like if I wait till my game gets enough players to have four in one game, then that's going to be a problem because, well, it's going to be one person's like, oh, I want this map. No one else agrees. And there's, it also is going to fix some problems with, like, if you leave the game, there's a bug that if you join back in the game, then you can do a weird thing, which is get infinite more towers. Not infinite, but if you join again infinitely, then yes, you can get infinite more towers. That's not something that you want in a tower defense game, because there's a limit to how many towers you can place. And I don't want the game to break because you place 20,000 towers and there's too many sound effects for me to even hear. Okay. I think what I need to do is like place a tree on either side. That'll look good, maybe. You would play it if you had Roblox. That would be that's nice. Uh, is there a reason why you don't have Roblox? Other than just you don't? Oh, this is gonna annoy me a bit. I don't think there's anything I could do about that not looking right, because these are cylinders. There's no such thing as like a rounded square, so what I did here was I just added some cylinders on the side. Oh, your parents banned you from it? That's crazy. Um, that sucks. But at least you can enjoy other people enjoying it, which that doesn't sound that great. I'm sorry for you. Well, eventually you'll be able to play it. Eventually. Never give up and never let someone down, okay? And never run around and desert them. That's some wise words from a guy I know. I know them personally too. Yeah, totally. La 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 la. Okay, the fence is almost done, which is the most boring part because the fence just makes it so that you can't fall off. I mean, you still can fall off. It's just maybe I should fix that. Nah, but then play because then that's gonna remove the fun. Cause like, where would the fun be? Yeah. Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you. Only chatter in the chat. You are a real one. Okay. This looks trash. Not the whole thing. No, the whole thing doesn't look trash. It's just... Well, thank you for tuning in, whoever tuned in there. Yeah. I mean, I can get why parents are banning their kids from Roblox because, like, Roblox's moderation is not all too good. And even if it was good, they're trying to make it into a a dating platform, which I don't think Roblox knows what a game is, seeing how they don't have games, they have experiences. But Roblox is still fun. What the freak? What did I do here? Okay, so looking at it from above, it looks cool, except there's a big gaping hole right here. And I don't want a big gaping hole right here, so I'm gonna make the hole smaller so it doesn't look like a hole. It looks like someone messed up because someone did. And that someone is me because I made the game. Okay, I have another problem. That doesn't that doesn't fit. Not, they won't fit there. Another fence can't fit in that little tiny spot. So what am I gonna do? Sigh. If I can slightly stretch everything outward, like just enough so that it looks like something better, then that would be good. I think, yeah, I think keeping it on a slight outward push for this, like the first fence I placed was right here, and you can tell. Well, not really anymore because I turned it, but still, you can. It's like right against the edge. That it's right next to it. So, this one really close to the edge, and this one's kinda away from it, which I think is better because that means that I can, uh, I have more wiggle room. Not just more wiggle room, but also like the more you get into a shape, like if my mouse cursor is right here, if I go all the way around, it's longer than just the inside, which is just a shorter loop because it takes up less space. Right here is smaller than right here, which is bigger. That's why if you run on a track, they have little. The track normally has like these. Uh, each racer is, the end points are different, or the start points will be different. Just a little lesson for you there if you ever want to run less. I know I do. Even though, yeah, running is good for you. I just don't like it. Sure, I do it sometimes, but like, it pain. Everything's always pain. I guess I am good with this. I mean, the fact that that's not all the way to the edge is kind of annoying. But I guess I could always just squish this, like, pull that in, pull that in, pull that in, pull that in. Or just, cause like I'm not, there's no way a fence could fit there too. Anyways, I guess I'll start on the decorations. So, this will suddenly, for you guys, get smaller. Wow, crazy. And now I'm gonna fix this again. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Put that right there. Move my little guy. So what I can do is, first of all, I didn't mean to do that again. That's not what I meant to do. You guys can't see the side of my screen, so you guys don't know the current inner workings. Oh my god, there are so many fences. Anywho, let's just make a folder called decor, but you guys cannot see these folders. Put this in this decor folder. Turn this into a single model. What the? Oh, I forgot that happens. I'm going crazy, don't worry guys. I don't know if this is the kind of style I want. But hey, I'll get player feedback on that, and if people don't like it, I'll change it. What the heck? I'll drag this block into here. I'll scale it on both sides. Actually, I forgot to turn back on my lock. This a wood texture. What's a wood texture? There, here's the wood texture. What is this? Is this reddish brown? No, this is rust. Burnt sienna. That's the color of the fences. What's a good color? Maybe, I think this one's good. And then I can copy what they do for, like, other Roblox games. By plastic. This plastic that's not the plastic texture I was going for. That's plaster. That's not what I want. No, plastic. Not. I mean, I guess that's fine. I don't know where the center of this is. Assuming right there. So, this will be the tree. It's a great tree. I know, right? Yep, those are two trees. Anyways, I think we have to fix this problem of having one spawn point, whatever it's called. I know my stuff. Spawn location. It's called spawn location. Well, I'm gonna get rid of this texture, and I can get rid of can collide and make sure it is invisible. and just put them down places. I don't care if they're aligned or not, because no one's going to see them. I mean, wait. Oh, I did a pretty good job actually. I'm proud of myself with that. I'm gonna name this model spawn. Yeah, tree. I'll put here. So this one and this one put together. This one and this one I'll put together into one model too. So that these two put into the wrong folder. Okay, so we have trees. What are some other decor we can have, like rocks? Now, I normally do for rocks is, I can do a bunch of squares. So you see here, we take this, we make it a grayish color. Not gray enough. Maybe like that. Normally it's medium stone gray. What's medium stone gray? Dark stone gray, smoky gray, medium stone gray. And then you take the rock texture. That's not rock. Did I do it wrong? Is it pebble? Wait, okay, that is the rock texture. That's not the rock texture I want though. This one is the one I want. I normally use this one, which is cobblestone, I think. Yeah, it's cobblestone. Okay. What the heck? That's not what I want. Do that. That looks decent. Okay, yeah, that's touching the floor. Sometimes I just gotta double check, because sometimes it just doesn't look like it is. Which one of these is... Yeah, this is the correct one. Move that out of the way. Put a rock there instead. And then take that same one. And not what I wanted to do. Yeah, okay, this is the problem with putting everything as a model. Because maybe I should have just put all of this in a folder. Okay, yeah, that's way better. I'm so smart, actually. Okay, but I don't want to put it in that. Okay, what is this? That's a tree. Uh, that's a tree, that's a tree. We put both of those. What is this? Oh, that's a... Wait. Oh, did I never group these? Okay. I'm so confused. Name this rock. Put a rock there. Move this to be like right there. I should probably put like a path of some sort, actually. Would that be like a really long cylinder? Wait, no. I know exactly what it would be. Put a cylinder. Make it like thin. Make it like a path-like texture. I'm saying like too much. I can't not say like. It's like the most... I'm gonna stop talking now. I gotta get right up and close to this to see. Okay, now same side on. Okay, yeah. And then make it longer. That's not what I wanted to do. Pull it into the floor. Make it the same height. Well, not exact same. Maybe slightly higher. Yep, that's good. Okay, yeah, that's a path. Grab this. Okay, this is going pretty smoothly. I guess not anymore. Because first of all, this spawn location, I can move that right there. It's fine. So this one, we need to move this maybe slightly lower. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then this one, move ever so slightly higher. Well, they're all at different heights, which maybe this one should be on top. So now you can see the circle clearer. I don't think that fixed that problem. Okay. So, how can I fix this problem? I think I fixed the problem. That was simple. Okay, this outdent is too much. Yes, that's a word. That's my word now. So, I think the path basically done. That is very close to being next to it. I mean, I'm fine with that. Or copy a rock, put the rock there. But what did I just do? I have no clue what I just did. I think I did something. I don't know what I did. Okay, tiny rock. I can put tiny rock next to big rock. Coolio. That's nice. Bigger rock, smaller rock. here, I gotta find a good audio from the audio store, asset store, whatever it's called. A good background music. Um, we could use that basic song. Wait, see some NCS songs. Like, Sky High. I don't know if playing any of these songs for more than 5 seconds would be good, because some of them might be copyrighted, which is a problem. They have Candyland. I'm using Candyland, okay? I'm using Candyland. No one's stopping me. I'm using Candyland. How do I take this then? Okay, Candyland, right in there. If you don't know what Candyland is, it's that song. Yep, that song. It's fire. Looped, playing. Make sure it's not too loud. I'll make it like 0.2 volume. And okay, so I notice empty spots here, like all around here, and empty spots right here. How do we fix this problem? What did that just do? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I can do that. I didn't even think of doing that. Hi guys, you have a bigger screen now to look at again. So, yeah, we got like this weird bent Y or person with a broken neck with no arms. Or the letter Y waving, maybe? See, look, it's the letter. See, it's the letter Y waving with a really long arm. Yep. So, how do I make this look good? Don't mind me while I look for models. Shift to run, car, sword. None of these are useful. I could just try to add some fun things to do, like put down a truss. I don't think many people, I mean, quite a few people know what this means, but there's a surprising amount of people that just call this like a ladder maybe thing. Wait, what did I just click? Tremolo sound effect. I did not mean to click that. Anyways, it's a truss part. There we go. It's the climbable things. They're common. It's common knowledge what these are. We know what these are. They're like ladders, basically. I did not mean to do that. So if I just... Oh, that's wrong way. Thinking you can only create a truss sideways or upright. Which is sad. Anyways, now that I have the truss, what do I do with it? First of all, let's make it a better color, like orange. Yes, that's a great color. Make it out of tiles. Okay. I can kind of see the vision. Don't know what I'm envisioning. Why is that brighter than... Ah, that doesn't... That burns. So, that, do I put like a big rock? Like a really big rock. And, yeah, so let's copy this rock. Okay, I think there's a thing underneath of this. Wait, okay, right there, yep. Let's move that out of the way for now. And I feel like, here, let's take the, sorry guys, with that noise, if you heard anything. Why is that part inside of that part? Anyways. I think that we just put that to be taller. This rock to be that height. I think this is fine. I mean, it puts something to do in the lobby, because most lobbies are boring. Not all of them. Some of them have fun stuff to do, like this one. I'm gonna make sure that this one... Not what I meant to do. But okay. Those ones are kind of overlapping now. Yeah, this is good. If I can, I can just... Well, I know I can't, but like... If I wanted to, I could just place down another tree. And another one here. So that's why that one's right there. I'm proud of this. Make that rock fill a bit more space. And yeah, this is good. Well, I don't think I have anything else to add, so thanks for watching the stream if you did. And have a nice day. I said have a nice day.